In this video, I'll show you how to change your display name on Snapchat. Whether you want a new name or simply want to change the way your current name appears, I'll walk you through the process step by step. After watching this video, you'll be able to customize your Snapchat experience to better suit your needs. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. First of all, let's open up the Snapchat application and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on the profile screen, you will see your Snapchat display name. Mine is Lily Jones. So in order to change that, tap on this gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on the very first option, Name. So now you can change your display name on Snapchat. Just tap on Remove Name to get rid of your current display name, and then type in your new display name. Once you are done, simply tap on Save at the bottom center of the screen to change your display name on Snapchat. So now let's go back to my profile, and as you can see, the display name has been changed successfully. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.